Come on, boys, one at a time. I mean, let's be reasonable.
That machine really scares me. They made it in a great hurry. I'm not sure why the hell they want to bring that enormous creature in here. The stronghold is almost completely secured, but who knows? Maybe they have their reasons. Anyway, if somebody does break in, I've left some ammo in a chest next to the second position. That's my last chance when the darkest hour comes.
This is no time to find yourself lost. What is that thing? Some kind of walking tank? I sure would like to take this baby for a spin. But how do I get it started?
My name is Private Hans Fisher of the 6th Division, Central Powers. Saying this in case I don't make it. And I'm scared. I've never worked with electrical currents with this kind of power. And I fear when it strikes, it's going to kill anybody who's in this room. Zimmerman left written instructions. They say that these huge crystals are needed to start the machine. But I think he set a trap. So I've moved all the crystals into the next room in case they interfere with the lightning charges. Know this. Zimmerman has betrayed us and gone. He's discovered a new war machine. I've got no idea where from, but it works very differently to the one we've got here. They tell us it's magic, and yesterday I wouldn't have believed it. But today I'm starting to think anything's possible. They say it's 10 times bigger than any war machine ever used before. So, headquarters is in a panic, with General Schroeder preparing an offensive on Zimmerman's latest hideout. But because of my experience with electricity, I've been ordered to try to launch this weird, crouching tank. I've had to wait until the promised storm actually hits us, because these generators take their charges from the lightning. If anybody hears this, there are now only a few minutes before we start, with a rotting body stinking like hell on the altar. But they've told us we've got to keep it here to check on the side effects of what we're going to do with this ancient tank. And now, the storm's overhead. Can you hear it? I'm going to try it without the crystals first. Any minute now, I'm going to pull the lever. I don't want to. I really don't, but I've got no choice. It's this was the firing squad. Oh God, I'm on my knees. For my family's sake. Dear Father, I beg you to let me keep my miserable life. Please, show me your mercy today.
Well, I guess it wasn't God's day for mercy. So, to start the machine, I need that crystal. Got it! That's right. Come on out. I'm ready for you now. What's wrong with this place? Spiders, living dead, walking tanks? Zimmerman, I got a few questions for you.
System activated. All systems at 80%. Engine activation in 9, 8, 7, 1, 0. Ready to merge.
What is this thing?
At last he has arrived. The prophecy has been fulfilled. The incarnation of the great Rajas, the Demon Slayer, untainted warrior, worthy of all enemies. I come to deliver a message from the great lords of the underworld. Our ally abused the power we invested in him. He became our greatest enemy. Now you have to destroy him and fulfill your destiny.
The hell I do!
Do not fear. We are here to merge with you. We have always been with you, and we shall observe you till the end. Take this machine. It has been waiting for you, and use it to obliterate the necromancer. You know you have no choice.
And what then? After I manage to kill the bastard, do I get to walk away?
When you fulfill your destiny, then you will be free. Everything will depend on you and your will.
I guess I'm in.
Let it be so.
Okay, I'm gonna do this. I fight, I win.